Hi. We're at the Russian fort.
There's some nice waves.
Where are we?
It's the Russian fort.
And there's the rocks. Chris climbed up the rocks.
Slippery.
And they're slippery, and he almost fell over because the Russians built it and their construction was very bad. Chris made an excellent point. He said, why would the Russians build a fort on an island that's basically, well, like a fort, because you can't get to it. It's kind of jungly here. Sorry. I don't know, but there's some stairs here, and hopefully I won't slip and break the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slippery.
You can't see it from here.
Can you see anything up here?
Not really.
No, really? Oh.
It's like a tunnel, I guess, on the other side.
Oh. The rivers are really high because it's flooding here.
Huh?
I'm talking to our audience. Would you like to make some commentary?
Very beautiful. I love my vacation. So wet.
And we're wearing rain jackets.
Northwest or southwest.
Okay, it's my turn. You have to kind of shield it because it's getting very wet. Like this.
That's my wife. She's wet too.
I'm very wet and I'm sick.
Alright, this is it. We're going home. Bye.